Warning. If the topic of psychological manipulation and emotional enslavement of women offends you, I want you to stop watching this video. And if you want to continue, you must agree never to use this knowledge to hurt women. Deal? Great. Let's start. Are you going through a breakup that's inevitable and you don't know what to do next? If so, then this video is for you. What you're about to learn is going to put you in a win-win situation, no matter what you decide to do. Want to handle the breakup like a man? This video will show you how. Want to move on and be happy again? This video will show you how. Want to win your woman back? Yes, this video will show you that too. We'll get to the good stuff in a minute. For now, could you do me a favor by liking this video? Click like now because that will encourage me to make more of these videos for you in the future. Help me do it now as I wait here. Clicked like? Great, let's continue. To start, let's take a closer look at what started this whole mess in the first place. What really causes breakups? Everybody seems to think that they know the answer. And yet, guess what? Most people are dead wrong. We'll get to the real reason why couples break up shortly, but for now, consider what makes relationships work. Here's the truth about love and dating. The best relationships are where the man dominates and the woman follows. In other words, gender roles. They really do work, believe me. Strangely, this simple truth has become controversial over time. These days, feminists call the idea sexist, misogynist, chauvinist, politically incorrect, etc. You know what? The truth is that there's only one reason why relationships fail, and it's this. The man didn't dominate the woman enough. When a woman feels trapped with a man she sees as weak, she shows her hate in many ways. She starts nagging him. She criticizes his smallest flaws. She undermines his authority. She magnifies his mistakes. She starts behaving like an asshole to him. She gets angry even at little things. She reacts negatively to anything he does or says. She disrespects him in public. She emotionally blackmails him. She cheats on him. She acts like a female sociopath. Here's what you must know. Virtually every relationship problem starts when the man does not dominate and lead. And here's how it gets worse. The problems pile up until the relationship can't take any more, and the breakup happens. If your breakup is inevitable, or if it's already happened, then there's only one thing to do. The best way to handle a breakup is to be a man about it. That's not even a figure of speech. You'll need to break up in a way that makes your woman feel your most attractive, most masculine traits. Why? 2 reasons. 1, you'll get over the breakup much more quickly. And 2, you'll leave a window open to possibly win her back later. Win-win situation, right? So how do you get over a breakup fast? Well, you do it in 5 steps. 1, tell her you accept the breakup. 2, find ways to make the breakup easier for her, then do it. For example, if she's already seeing someone else, then tell her that her new relationship has your blessing. 3, at the same time, make the breakup easier for you by moving on with your life. You can focus on work, hobbies, going to the gym, anything to stay busy. 4, leave the emotional baggage behind. Shit happens. No sense bringing shit with you. 5, most importantly, suggest being just friends again. Put yourself squarely in her friend zone. Nothing romantic or sexual anymore. This 5-step process will do 2 things for you. 1, you'll look manlier, which makes her feel more attracted to you. 2, and she'll wonder why it's so easy for you to move on. She'll wonder, why is he so easygoing? Is he up to something? Or has he found someone better than me? The breakup will still happen, but now she's more intrigued by you. She'll be thinking about you in the weeks to follow. What happens? Well, it's totally up to you. You can choose to just move on with your life, or you can choose to win her back. If you choose to win her back, then know that it's entirely possible as long as you do what I will tell you to do next in this video. Before we do that, if you like this video, then continue by subscribing to this channel. Scroll down and find the big red subscribe button. Click it to subscribe because you'll then get more videos directly from me. Done subscribing? Great. Let's continue, all right? Now, let's talk about how to get her back. Here's what about breakups that you must know. Under normal circumstances, your ex would not get back with you. So to win her back, you'll need to create abnormal circumstances. This means that doing normal things like pleading, begging, and being nice to her will not work. And here's the abnormal thing that you need to do. You must manipulate her emotions so that she's forced to come back to you. That's right. The key to getting her back is through manipulation. Now, I want you to know that I completely understand how you feel right now. If you're not comfortable with the idea of manipulating your woman, think about this. If you don't manipulate her, she will manipulate you. After all, hasn't she hurt you before? With all that emotional blackmail, the silent treatment, and other kinds of mind control? Well, guess what? Two can play that game. Only this time, you're doing it not to hurt her, but to save your relationship and make her happy. Remember, she won't come back to you under normal circumstances. Want her back? Then you'll need to manipulate the circumstances. You'll need to manipulate her. Manipulation is really the only way you can win her back and make her happy again. So if you want to handle your breakup like a man, and if you want to win your woman back, then you'll need to learn how to manipulate her mind and emotions. And here's the good news. You can learn the art of using mind control to manipulate a woman's emotions right now. All you'll need to do is join Derek Rake's legendary online masterclass on mind control, which I highly recommend. A link will come up in your video. To join the masterclass, click on the link and follow the instructions. Do it.